Are you tired of those twisty, bulgy veins that seem to have taken up permanent residence on your legs? Well, you're not alone. Varicose veins have been a pesky problem since the days of Hippocrates, and guess what? The quest to banish them is still going strong. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of natural remedies that promise to send those varicose veins packing and boost your blood flow. From ancient wisdom to modern marvels, we've got you covered. So, get ready to give your legs the love they deserve and say hello to healthier, happier veins, compression stockings. Compression stockings are a cornerstone in the battle against varicose veins. These specialized stockings are designed to apply gentle pressure to your legs, promoting better blood circulation and preventing the pooling of blood in your veins. This pressure is strategically graduated, being tighter at the ankles and gradually decreasing towards the knees and thighs. This design encourages blood to flow back towards the heart more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of vein enlargement and discomfort associated with varicose veins. When selecting compression stockings, it's crucial to choose the right type for your needs. They come in various levels of compression, measured in millimeters of mercury, mmHg. The higher the number, the greater the compression. For mild varicose veins, a lower compression level may suffice, while more pronounced cases might require a higher level. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate compression level for your situation. Wearing compression stockings correctly is equally important. The best time to put them on is in the morning before swelling can occur. Start by turning the stocking inside out up to the heel, then gently slide your foot in, making sure the heel is properly positioned. Gradually unroll the stocking up your leg, avoiding any twists or bunches. Smooth out the fabric for a snug, comfortable fit. Regular use of these stockings can significantly alleviate the symptoms of varicose veins and aid in their management. Sclerotherapy. Sclerotherapy is a popular, non-invasive treatment for varicose veins, boasting a high success rate. This procedure involves injecting a solution directly into the affected veins. The solution irritates the vein lining, causing it to collapse and stick together. Over time, the treated vein turns into scar tissue and fades away, improving both the appearance and the symptoms associated with varicose veins. One of the most appealing aspects of sclerotherapy is its natural approach. The body gradually absorbs the collapsed vein, leaving healthier veins to handle blood circulation. This treatment is particularly attractive for those seeking an alternative to surgical interventions. Recovery time is minimal, with most individuals able to resume normal activities soon after the procedure. Sclerotherapy's effectiveness and minimal downtime make it a preferred choice for many looking to address varicose veins naturally. Maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is vital for overall circulatory health and can significantly impact the development and progression of varicose veins. Excess weight puts additional pressure on your veins, particularly those in your legs. This increased pressure can lead to the weakening of vein walls and valves, exacerbating the formation of varicose veins. Adopting a balanced diet is key to weight management. Focus on foods rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and limit the intake of processed and high-fat foods. Regular physical activity is equally important. Activities like walking, cycling, or swimming promote good circulation and help maintain a healthy weight. Even simple changes, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, can make a difference. By keeping your weight in check, you reduce the strain on your veins, improving blood flow and preventing the pooling that leads to varicose veins. Yoga and stretching. Yoga and stretching exercises play a pivotal role in managing and preventing varicose veins. These activities enhance blood circulation and support vein health, making them an essential part of a holistic approach to vascular wellness. Specific yoga poses are particularly beneficial for those with varicose veins. Poses like Viparita Karani, legs up the wall pose, and Sarvangasana, shoulder stand, are excellent choices. These inverted poses elevate the legs, facilitating blood flow back towards the heart and reducing the pressure in the leg veins. This reversal of gravity's effects can significantly alleviate the discomfort associated with varicose veins and prevent further deterioration. In addition to yoga, regular stretching exercises can also be highly effective. Simple routines that focus on the legs, such as calf raises, ankle rotations, and hamstring stretches, can improve flexibility and circulation. These exercises strengthen the muscles around the veins, supporting the venous system and promoting efficient blood flow. Incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, especially before and after periods of prolonged sitting or standing, can make a substantial difference in vein health. Avoid prolonged standing. Prolonged standing can have a detrimental effect on blood flow in the legs, contributing to the development and exacerbation of varicose veins. When standing still for extended periods, gravity causes blood to pool in the leg veins, increasing pressure and leading to vein enlargement and discomfort. To mitigate these effects, it's important to take regular breaks to sit down and elevate the legs, helping to counteract the force of gravity. If your job requires long periods of standing, try to shift your weight from one foot to the other or take short walks when possible. Wearing compression stockings can also be beneficial as they help maintain blood flow and reduce swelling. For those who cannot avoid prolonged standing, incorporating leg exercises and stretches throughout the day can be helpful. Simple movements like toe raises or gently bouncing on the balls of your feet can stimulate blood flow and reduce the risk of varicose veins. Microsclerotherapy. Microsclerotherapy is a minimally invasive procedure that effectively treats varicose veins. This treatment involves injecting a sclerosing agent into the affected veins, causing them to collapse and eventually fade away. The procedure is particularly effective for smaller varicose veins and spider veins. The natural essence of microsclerotherapy lies in its ability to utilize the body's own healing mechanisms. Once the treated veins collapse, the body naturally reroutes the blood to healthier veins. Over time, the collapsed veins are absorbed by the body, leaving the skin surface smooth and vein-free. One of the key advantages of microsclerotherapy is its quick recovery time. Patients can typically resume normal activities almost immediately after the procedure. There is minimal discomfort, and the results are often visible within a few weeks. This treatment offers a safe and effective alternative to more invasive surgical options, making it a popular choice for those seeking a natural approach to varicose vein treatment. Laser surgery. Laser surgery, specifically endovenous laser treatment, EVLT, has emerged as a highly effective method for treating varicose veins. This advanced procedure utilizes laser energy to close off and eliminate varicose veins. During the treatment, a small laser fiber is inserted into the vein through a tiny incision. The laser emits short bursts of energy that heat the vein, causing it to collapse and seal shut. Over time, the treated vein is naturally absorbed by the body, disappearing from sight. The beauty of endovenous laser treatment lies in its use of the body's natural processes. By closing the affected veins, the body reroutes blood flow to healthier veins, improving overall circulation. This method is particularly effective for larger varicose veins and offers a less invasive alternative to traditional vein stripping surgery. Patients typically experience minimal discomfort during the procedure and can return to their normal activities shortly afterward. The use of local anesthesia and the minimally invasive nature of the procedure make it a safe and convenient option for many patients. The success rate of laser surgery is high, with most patients seeing significant improvement in both the appearance and symptoms of varicose veins. Endovenous ablation therapy. Endovenous ablation therapy is another minimally invasive treatment option for varicose veins. This procedure involves the use of radiofrequency or laser energy to heat and close off the affected veins. Similar to laser surgery, a small catheter is inserted into the vein and energy is delivered to heat the vein walls, causing them to collapse and seal shut. This therapy is highly effective due to its adherence to the body's natural healing mechanisms. Once the treated vein is closed, the body naturally diverts blood flow to other healthy veins. The closed vein is then gradually absorbed by the body, reducing the visibility of varicose veins. One of the key advantages of endovenous ablation therapy is its minimal recovery time. Patients can usually resume normal activities within a day, with little to no need for pain medication. The procedure is typically performed under local anesthesia, reducing the risks associated with general anesthesia. Endovenous ablation therapy is an excellent option for patients seeking a less invasive and more natural approach to varicose vein treatment. Endoscopic vein surgery. Endoscopic vein surgery represents the cutting edge in varicose vein treatment. This minimally invasive technique involves the use of an endoscope, a small flexible camera, to accurately target and treat varicose veins. The surgeon makes small incisions near the affected veins and inserts the endoscope, which provides a detailed view of the vein on a monitor. Specialized instruments are then used to close off or remove the problematic veins. This advanced technique is highly effective due to its precision and minimal invasiveness. By directly visualizing the veins, surgeons can target the treatment more accurately, leading to better outcomes. The natural approach of rerouting blood flow to healthier veins helps in restoring normal circulation and reducing the symptoms associated with varicose veins. Patients undergoing endoscopic vein surgery typically experience a quick recovery and minimal post-operative discomfort. The procedure is usually performed under local or regional anesthesia, making it safer and more comfortable for patients. Endoscopic vein surgery is an ideal option for those who have more extensive varicose veins that cannot be treated with simpler procedures. And there you have it, folks, 9 fantastic, nature-inspired ways to wave goodbye to varicose veins and hello to improved circulation. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe and share it with your friends. Your legs will thank you and so will we. Stay tuned for more health hacks and tips right here. Until next time, keep stepping towards a healthier you.